Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have 5 different job leads in today's video, all hiring right now in 2024 for you to work from home. And of course, they're all big, well-known companies. I know a lot of times I share some startup companies and some people might be a little bit apprehensive, but these are big, well-known companies, so nothing to fear with any of these companies. We even have the well-known Crumble Cookie hiring somebody to manage that online website chat. We're going to dive all into it real quickly. If you are new here, welcome. A little bit about how this channel works. I share daily remote work from home job leads that are hiring right now. Timestamps are always in the YouTube description box below this video. And also in the description box is a link to my website where all jobs discussed can be found if you want to get that application in. I always just ask that if you enjoy job leads, let me know, give me that direct feedback, give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family. But without wasting any more time, first up we have the well-known shipping company DHL. They have 4,800 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a TOC representative to work remotely. Now this means you'll be responsible for performing all aspects of the logistics and transportation's operations. So you're going to kind of be managing and overseeing that all of the operations go smoothly. So you're going to coordinate daily shipments and establish shipments with carrier and tender shipments, making sure 100% that the data entry of the shipments is correct in the OTM system. You'll track and trace all the shipments with the vendor, updating and maintaining this transportation management system database. So a lot of data entry for this one. You'll also answer and resolve questions when needed, just confirming information with the different carriers. You'll be responsible for cost containment of the shipping and evaluate the shipping's loads, different delivery methods, just reviewing all orders, making sure everything is running smoothly on the shipment front. Now, they do prefer somebody who has an associate's degree and 1 year of work experience that is related to shipping and logistics. However, they will take just experience over the degree. That is just preferred, not required. You do have to have great communication skills, though, work well in a team and work well in a fast-paced environment. Now, because there's a lot of data entry with this job, you'll have to know how to use computer systems, specifically those Microsoft Office systems, and have great typing skills. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $18.86 an hour all the way up to $30.18 an hour. Of course, that's going to be dependent on things like location and experience. And they do offer a standard benefit package that comes with like health insurance, 401k, paid time off, all the things. But moving right along, next up we have the Home Depot coming in at 49,000 reviews, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a data product manager. Again, this is remote for the United States. It says it's going to be a remote virtual working position. One thing about Home Depot's website to point out, it is a little bit different. They don't have the entire job listed. You have to click on like job description, benefits, and the different sections of the job. But basically, they are looking for somebody to be responsible for delivering business value that drives their sales and improves their efficiency and customer satisfaction. So you'll come to gain an understanding of customer and associate needs, both existing and potential needs in the future, and you'll translate that into business goals for Home Depot. So you're going to identify these goals and help set metrics and analytics to determine product value and continue making recommendations or refinements on the product backlog based on learnings. So you're going to kind of help do some reporting and figure out what is needed and what kind of products Home Depot should stock in the future, what's selling well, all of those types of things. So their minimum requirements are very little. You just have to be 18 years or older, be eligible to work in the United States, And that's all it says for the minimum requirements, and no experience really needed. Now, they do have some preferred requirements that does include 1 to 3 years of some kind of relevant work experience, somebody who has experience working in product management or software development, someone who has experience working in a fast-paced environment, great communication skills, and someone who can do research to understand needs. So someone who is like a data analytical person, problem solver. Now, unfortunately, Home Depot did not list their pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. All right, if you are here for the online website chat job, next up we have a Crumble Cookies. Now, Crumble Cookie has 2 different Glassdoor pages. They have their Crumble headquarters corporate page, and then all of the actual stores that you visit have like a franchise page. So their corporate headquarters has 427 reviews from past and current employees. They do have a high overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. And they are hiring a part-time customer assist specialist. Now, again, this is going to be part-time. And one thing to quickly note about this position, because you're not going to work in the Crumble headquarter offices, you are going to be working from home remotely. You do have to have a strong, reliable internet connection, and you also have to have your own desktop or laptop computer that you can use to work from. They are not providing any computer equipment for you. Now, this is not completely non-phone website. They are looking for somebody to help through text chat and phone calls as well, answering just in a professional manner, tracking data, and answering all of those customer service concerns. The bulk of this, though, is going to be fielding those chats and issues from the customers, giving them helpful responses, interacting with them through their online chat system. So the biggest part of this is going to be answering that online website chat. When you're talking to these customers, you're also going to collect data that helps the developers and tech departments have any trends that they need to be addressing with things that are wrong with the website, things like that. You'll also have to participate in weekly meetings and give feedback on anything you've noticed from talking to the customers. So you'll have to like keep an idea of trends that are happening. If multiple customers are having the same issues, you'll have to bring those up. So you're going to help ensure all technical issues working with like the app and the website are resolved for the customers. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED. Somebody who has the ability to learn internal applications quickly, someone who has a problem solver, you can recognize an issue and handle it, and somebody who can be empathetic to the customer's needs. Now, unfortunately, again, they did not list pay. That'll have to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. But a job that is hiring that does list pay, next up we have the company Staples, the well-known office supply store. They have 14,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for somebody to help with their human resources department. They're looking for an HR services administrator. So you need to be customer focused. You're going to be handling their HR benefit, payroll needs while bringing your own diverse interest and passion into the workday. So you're going to help with all of these benefit payroll questions of the employees and any needs of the employees, helping their human resources department. You'll have to answer phone calls and emails from the employees. So they're looking for somebody who has great customer service skills, somebody who can multitask, have great attention to detail, and somebody who is a self-starter, always looking for new ways to improve processes and be more efficient. Now, they do want somebody who has a bachelor degree, in business administration, or if you don't have a bachelor degree, you have to have at least 1 year of experience working in business, customer service, HR, or some kind of related environment. So they will take experience over the degree. If you have a background in HR, that's a plus, not required though. You just got to have great interpersonal skills, be able to handle difficult situations professionally and sensitively. Now, they have a benefit package including a health insurance, paid time off, a 401k, and pay for this one's anywhere from $21.50 an hour all the way up to $24 an hour. And last but not least, if you've made it this far, thank you so much. We have the company U-Haul. U-Haul has 3,600 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a POS support specialist. Now, it does say that they are hiring for their team out of Phoenix, Arizona, but this is going to be a complete remote position. It is a 5-day work week and they're looking for somebody to be available during 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. to work any shifts that they need covered. So you do have to be flexible in the shifts that you can work. It does not specifically say that they're only hiring people near Phoenix, Arizona, because this is 100% remote. So I'm just sharing what I find online. Don't shoot the messenger if they're not hiring nationwide, but they are looking for somebody to provide that remote support through phone and a live chat to all applications using their rental transactions, daily functions of U-Haul. So you're going to help troubleshoot all of the U-Haul owned and maintained devices such as printers, cash drawers, mobile devices, computer workstations, their credit card payment terminals. So all of the U-Haul businesses, smaller businesses, you are basically going to be their customer service and their tech support. You'll identify software discrepancies and report anything up to the development team for resolution if you cannot resolve it. So you'll be the lower level, like tier 1 troubleshooting and tech support for all of the different U-Haul businesses. They're only looking for somebody who has a fundamental understanding of basic network functions. So you've got to have that tech support understanding of like how IP addresses and routers, modems, things like that work. You've got to have professional communication skills and the ability to think quickly on your feet. No college degree is needed, though. You do have to be able to work computers and type at least 45 words per minute. And again, unfortunately, this one did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Well, if you've made it to the end of this video, I do owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for things to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.